My name is Walker Vance, and I ran out of plates. I last recorded, I think it was 2 days ago? Yeah, on Tuesday. And I am officially eating out of a Frisbee I found in my closet. It's not so bad. It's plastic, so it can't break. Yeah, but it'll do until I can order more. Which is a bitch, because I can't go to the dollar store anymore with the Rona, so now I have to pay for delivery. Which isn't breaking the bank, but, I'd rather not have to. That's the worst part about Corona. Some people are stuck with their families, and I'm stuck with some undead bitch. I actually had to buy a new charger for my phone yesterday. Because I thought I'd lost it, like you do. But now I'm pretty sure that it got spirited away by the ghost of Christmas dickhead. Wait a fucking second, is that your plan? To steal and break my shit so I have to buy more until I can't afford to pay rent? Well, joke's on you. I'd rather sleep on the floor before moving out of here. And I'm recording all of this, so I'll get my deposit back. Let me get on Facebook. I'm sure there's a vegan on there with a Ouija board.